Stop scrolling. If you're still trying to make money by working harder every single day, you're playing the wrong game. Because right now, someone with less skill than you, less experience than you, is making more money than you, just because they're using AI differently. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to build a system where AI finds customers for you, talks to them, and even helps you deliver work. So you can start earning from home without being stuck in constant hustle. No complicated tech, no big investment, just smart execution. Here's the truth that most people ignore. AI is not just a tool, it's a workforce. But most people still use it like Google. They ask something, get an answer, and then go do everything manually. That's why they stay stuck. But the people who are winning right now, they don't use AI. They direct it. So before we go into steps, you need one mindset shift. You are no longer the worker. You are the director. AI is your team. And your job is not to do the work anymore. Your job is to tell the work what to do. Step 1. Attract, build a lead machine. While you sleep, let's start with the biggest problem, getting customers. Most people struggle here because they think they have to manually search, scroll, message, and chase people every single day. That's exhausting. And honestly, that's outdated, because today, AI can do this entire process for you. All you need to do is clearly define your ideal customer. Who are they? What do they do? Where do they spend their time? What problems are they facing? Once you give this clarity to AI, it can go out and find people who match that exact profile. Not just random people, qualified leads, people who are already active, already posting, already showing signs that they might need your help. For example, if you want to help small businesses grow online, AI can find businesses that are posting regularly but getting low engagement. That means they already need your service. Now imagine this, you wake up in the morning, open your laptop, and instead of starting from zero, you already have a list of potential customers waiting for you. Names, profiles, websites, activity, all organized. That's the power of thinking in systems. You're no longer trading time for opportunity. You're building a machine that creates opportunity for you. But here's the problem. Most people get leads and still don't make money. Why? Because of what they do next. Step 2. Convert. Turn attention into money. Getting leads is easy. Converting them is where the game is won. And this is exactly where most people fail. They either overthink and don't reach out, or they send boring copy-paste messages that nobody cares about. Think about it. If someone sends you a generic message, you ignore it. So why would your customer be any different? This is where AI becomes insanely powerful, because now, instead of sending one boring message to everyone, you can send personalized messages to each person without writing them yourself. AI can look at someone's profile, their recent posts, their business, and create a message that feels human. It can reference something specific they posted. It can talk about a real problem they're facing. It can position your solution in a natural way. And when someone reads that, it doesn't feel like marketing. It feels like a conversation. That's what gets replies. Now take it one step further. AI can also track responses. So instead of checking your inbox again and again, you only get notified when someone is actually interested. This changes your energy completely. You're no longer chasing people. You're responding to opportunities. Now imagine, people are replying, calls are getting booked, but suddenly you have too much work. This is where most people get stuck again. Step 3. Deliver. Let AI do the heavy work. This is the point where most freelancers and beginners feel overwhelmed, because now they have clients, but not enough time, and they go right back into the trap of doing everything manually. But this is where you flip the game completely, because AI doesn't just help you get clients, it can actually help you deliver the work too. Let's say a client wants help with their business growth. Instead of spending hours researching, analyzing, and creating strategies, You can ask AI to do it. It can analyze their website, their social media, their content, their competitors, and within minutes, it can give you insights that would normally take days. It can tell you what's working, what's not working, and what should be improved. And then you can ask it to turn those insights into a clean, professional report or presentation, something that looks high level, premium, and customized. Now here's the key. You don't just send AI output blindly. You review it, you refine it, you add your thinking. That's your role. But instead of doing 100% of the work, you're doing 10-20%. That's leverage. That's how you scale without burning out. Now think about this. If AI can get clients and AI can do the work, what's stopping you from scaling? Let me be real with you. Right now, there are people building businesses where their only job is to think. They don't chase leads. They don't do repetitive tasks. They don't burn out. They build systems once, and those systems keep working for them. The question is, are you building a system, or are you still stuck being the system? Step 4. Automate. Turn work into a system. This is where everything connects. This is where you stop working for money and start building a system that brings money to you. Because now you can automate everything. Finding leads, sending messages, following up, tracking replies, delivering work. All of it can run in the background. So you don't need to be involved in every step anymore. You just need to design the system once and then improve it over time. Think of it like this. Instead of working 8 hours every day, you build something that works 24 hours for you. That's the difference between effort and leverage. And once you experience that shift, you can never go back to the old way. But now comes the biggest question. If AI can do almost everything, then what makes you valuable? Step 5. Your role. The real game. Taste, vision, care. This is the part nobody talks about because this is what separates people who succeed from people who get replaced. AI can do tasks, but it cannot replace your judgment. It cannot replace your thinking, and it cannot replace your understanding of people. Your real value comes down to 3 things: knowing what is good and what is average. AI can generate 100 ideas, but only you can decide which one is powerful. That comes from exposure, learning, and practice. Seeing opportunities before others see them, understanding where things are going, and positioning yourself early. That's how you stay ahead. This is the most important one. Because business is human. People don't buy the best service. They buy from someone who understands them. When you genuinely care, when you listen, when you connect, that's what builds trust. And trust creates money. Let me leave you with this. The world has changed. Working harder is no longer the answer. Thinking smarter is. Right now, you have access to something that people in the past never had. A system that can think, execute, and scale with you. So the real question is not, can you make money from home? The real question is, why are you still doing everything alone? Start small, build one system. Let AI handle one task, then another, and soon, you won't just be making money from home. You'll be building something that works for you. That's the real freedom.